Welcome back to a new lecture. In this lecture, let us talk about operators in Python. So the general purpose of a program is to accept some data, perform some operation and give the result. So while performing some operation, we might store data, we might do some calculation, we might do some comparison, we might apply some condition and then provide the result. So the next question is, how to perform operations on a data. For example, when a programmer wants to add two numbers, maybe he just want to add x and y. So that can be done with the help of plus, that is the plus symbol. And this symbol performs the addition operation. Such symbols are known as operators. So let us now understand different type of operators and how to utilize them. So if I need to divide them, operators into type, we have arithmetic operator, we have assignment operators, we have unary minus operator, relation operators and logical operators. And the last one is Boolean operators. So these are the type of operators and we can understand it one by one. So as you know, with arithmetic you already understand it can be something related to plus, minus, that is addition, subtraction, maybe some multiplication, division and something related to that. So let us perform that and get understanding of arithmetic operators. So here if I simply take two numbers, maybe a as 10 and b as 5. So that would be easy for us. And if I want to perform some operation, maybe a plus b, so all I have to do is either store them in a separate variable or directly print them. So I can do that, a plus b, and here I got my result. And if I try to perform subtraction, I can do the same. I will do a minus b, and that's done, we got the result. And what if we want to try out some multiplication? Let us do that, a multiply by b, and let us get the result. Okay, that was easy, but what if we want to do the division? Let us perform the same. Here if you notice, we are getting 2.0, and for all the results we were getting exact integer, but here we are getting answer as float. That is because if we divide something, we get our result into float manner. It can be some different value if I have taken not the exact terms like 10 and 5, because they are equally divisible. Let me take two values, a equals to 12 and then b equals to 5, and then perform the same for 12 and 5. So let us do that, and now you can see I again got the float value, which is 2.4. So that is the reason whenever you try to divide something, you will get your answer into float. But what if I want that into integer only? So either I can convert that into integer using int function, or either I can use the floor division method. So while dividing, I can use this double slash and then b, and if I print that, you can see I got the floor function, which is if I have an answer of 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, I will get the result of the floor value. That is, if it is 2.8, I will get the value of 2. So it is a int value now. And the two things that I want to talk about is modulus operator and the exponent operator. So what is modulus operator? Let us do that also. If I have a and I use modulus, and with b I get a result of 2. So it basically gives you the remainder. So here I have 12. Instead of 12, if I had a as 13, and if I try to perform the same, I would have got the result as 3. Now you can see I got 3. That's because modulus operator returns the remainder after division. So the last thing that we need to talk about with arithmetic operator is exponent operator. Whenever you want to do something with powers, you use exponent operator. So suppose you want to do a cube of 2. So what you are going to do? You might use a, and then you can do as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. That's great. Now you can also print that and you will get the correct answer for sure. And we got 8. But what if you need to do 2 to the power of 10 or some bigger number? You cannot write 2 multiply by 2 10 times. So instead of that, what we can do is we can take 2 with a double asterisk sign and the power that we want to give. If I need to give the power of cube, I can do that, and here then I can print with a. Basically if I want to give the power of 10, I can do the same. I can just use a. So I hope you understand the exponent operator. Now we are done with arithmetic operators. We need to talk about assignment operators. So these operators are useful to store the right side value into left side variable. So as I talked about that also, this is the right side value and these are storing into left side value, that is the variable. So they can be used to perform simple arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, and also store the values into variable. So the first one that I need to talk about is equals to. So if I take an example here, let me take a value of x as 10 and y as 20. In basic word assignment operators store the value from left side to variables. So here if I use some arithmetic operator along with assignment operator, we can get some results. So like if I take z as x plus y, here I am using plus, that is the addition symbol, as arithmetic operator and equals to symbol as assignment operator. And if I print this particular z, you will get the result of 30. What if I need to perform addition with z itself and then store the value? So what I am saying is I need to perform z equals to z plus x. So how can I do that in short term? That means if I am taking this here, the z value is now 30 and x value is 10. So the result will be of course 40. So let me print that so we can remember what I was trying to do. I was trying to do z plus y in simple terms. So here if I need to store this value in z itself, what I have to do is z equals to z plus x. So what I can do is I can use the shortcut, that is z plus equals to x. So this will perform the same as z equals to z plus x. And here if I now print z, you will get the same result as 40. So we have done this for addition. And what if I need to perform as z equals to z minus x? Same thing I need to do that. What I can do is z minus equals to x. And if I print the value of z, you will get the same thing. That is the subtraction of x. Now there are a few things that you can do. You can also perform for division, modulus, exponent, and also for floor division, and they would work for same. So if I take an example with division, so that means it is going to be z equals to z divided by x. Let us perform that and let us print z. You get 3.0 which is 30 divided by 10. Okay, that's cool. You can play with that. I hope by now you understand what is arithmetic operator, what is operator, what is assignment operator. In the next lecture, we'll be talking about unary minus operator, relation operator, logical operator, and Boolean operators.